Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in earlier days, if you just want to watch a movie, you will be going out and buying a DVD, and with the help of DVD player, you use it to watch those movies. And also, if I just want to give one more example, I think in my childhood, if I want to listen to one of my favorite songs, I will be downloading I will be installing the songs in the memory card, and with the help of the music player, I will be listening to the songs. So, in earlier days, in past, if you just want to watch a movie or listen to the songs, they must be available for you. They must be stored with you with the help of a DVD or the pen drive or memory card. But now, if you just think, you are streaming millions of songs, and you're watching million not million, yeah, you're watching a good number of movies and web series in the Amazon or Netflix, all just you're not storing them, and all just with the help of the internet. Have you ever thought how this happens? And if you're thinking right, you're right. Cloud computing is the technology which is behind all this. So basically, cloud computing delivers us all the computing services, something like storage, software, and data processing over the internet. It's like something like the more you use, the more you pay. You will be paying for what you use only. So if I just want to give you an example, Google Cloud, iCloud or Google Photos. So what we will be doing is nothing but, if you want the storage. I think most of the people will be backupping your photos, right? So we will be buying the storage. If you want more storage, we will be buying the cloud storage, and then we will be using it. So maybe it's for 15 GB, maybe it's for 20 GB. It will be very respective, right? So there are basically three kinds of cloud computing. One is AS and PaaS and SaaS. Basically, AS is something which is infrastructure as a service, and PaaS is platform as a service, and third one, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service is nothing but, I just want to give an analogy. See, it will be providing you an apartment. So all you just need to, there is no furniture. There is no furniture, and nothing available in your room. See, all you need to do is nothing but build your software. They will be giving the virtual machines. Basically, in order to tell in simple words, they will be giving the virtual machines. You can use your own operating system and own software for building applications. It's more good to people who want customization. And coming to the platform as a service, the second one, PaaS. See, here it will be PaaS computing technique. It will be giving you all the applications and all the tools which are required for creating an app. You just need to worry about creating the app. You just need to focus on the code only. You just don't need to worry about the tech. And coming to the third one, SaaS, software as a service. So in software as a service, you just don't need to worry about the machines, and no need to worry about the software, no need to worry. You just enjoy the services that are provided by the company. To give you an example, restaurant. You will be just ordering the food, and you will be getting the food. You don't need not to worry about the accommodation, food, kitchen, and etc. etc. So the example is nothing but the Netflix. You see, when you take the Netflix as an example, it is an example of the SaaS. You need not to worry about the tech, and you need not to worry about the servers and where it will be storing, how it will be, and which software is using. You are just using the services. Like some of the examples of SaaS for Gmail, WhatsApp, and all this happens over the internet. Right? So with the arrival of the cloud computing technologies, the industry has been changed drastically in various aspects. The major changes has been appeared in the educational and the entertainment industry. First of all, we will just look into how cloud computing has changed the educational industry. In earlier days, before the cloud computing, the students and teachers, the teacher used to teach in the virtual, physical classrooms, and they will be using the physical textbooks. But now, with the help of cloud computing, you have access to the remote learning. Wherever you are, you can have the access of learning material, and the classes will be happening in the virtual classroom. Wherever you are in the world, you and your teacher can easily talk like you are just in the physical classroom. With the help of I can give you a few examples of the Google Classroom and Zoom. With the help of these major two cloud platforms, we can easily have the access to the virtual classrooms. And the second option, like the second advantage you will be having with the cloud computing is something collaborative learning. With the tools that were given by the Google Docs and Microsoft 365, students can work together in project works in online. Like they were not physically available, they can, with the help of these two Google Docs and the Microsoft 365, they can work together. Like with the team effort, and as you know, there are many benefits. And then third one is you can scale the resources up. So if the educational institution have the students' demand is increased, they can scale the resources up. And if the demand is slow, they can scale the resources down so that there is no more extra cost going through. So they always try to give the user student best experience. And with the cloud computing, and the most important and the most significant change is nothing but both the students and teachers have the benefits of highly sophisticated technology, something like virtual lab. Like you can have how things work practically, and AI-based tutoring, mentoring system. All this you can have with the help of cloud computing. While I think we have enough with the educational industry changes, if you just go to the entertainment industry changes, something like that entertainment industry has been very drastically changed. So especially the streaming platforms, something like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime Video, Wiki Music. So you can have access to the vast library of movies and millions of songs wherever you in whatever device you want. And it is in entertainment, it is very useful for the content creators. Basically, content creators and something like they can work together in online platforms. Like they can, with the help of cloud tools, they can produce, edit, and distribute the content worldwide. They can have the access to the global teams. And coming to another technology, I think you guys are very familiar with the cloud gaming. So you not need to have the high-end gaming hardware and the software in order to play a high-end premium games. So with the help of Google Stack and Microsoft X365, and recently in our India, Geo Cloud Games has also started these cloud games. With the speed of with the help of high-speed internet, you can play highly sophisticated with the high hardware, which require high hardware and expensive hardware. You can just play. So if you see, there are many benefits, and still there are many benefits of this cloud computing. One more thing, the major players in the cloud computing are AWS, Amazon Web Services, and the Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. If you have any feedback, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.